Hello, Namaskar, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn some hand and finger movements. So let's start with the first one. First of all, keep your hand parallel to the ground and then move the hand the way I am showing. It is very easy process. Repeat the same process with the other hand also. A note to everyone, this video is mirrored so you can do as it is shown. Try increasing your speed. Next we'll go with the reverse process. Keep your hands attached to the body and take it from down to up. Start it with the closed fist. Move up and parallel to the ground. Same move up and parallel to the ground. Try increasing your speed. We will try doing it with both the hands together. Keep practicing and increase your speed. Sometimes your hands may pain while doing the hand exercises, so let's learn some relax exercise. Do it for some time and your muscles will get relaxed. Keep practicing and let's move on to our second one. Let's learn how to rotate our hands 360 degree. And try to keep your body straight while doing it. Do note, this video is mirrored so you can do as it is shown. Try to keep your hand parallel to the ground and rotate. Try to rotate both the hands together like I am showing. This is a very good exercise for your shoulders as well as hands. Try increasing your speed. Keep practicing and let's move on to the third one. Raise your hands up and move it to the side. Do remember to keep your hands parallel to the ground. It is very easy to do, so increase your speed and keep doing it. Keep practicing and let's move on to our fourth one. Raise your hands and try to rotate it 360 degree the way I am showing. Do it in the alternative sides. You can close your fist and do the same. It will be easy to drift your whole body with your hand. Keep practicing and let's move on to our fifth one. Move your hand to front and back. I'll show it to you with my side profile. Front, back. Front, back. Practice it with increasing your speed. Let's move on to our sixth one. Like the previous one, this one we will do from up, down, up and down. Repeat doing it by increasing your speed and keep practicing. And let's move on to the seventh one. In this, we will move our hand from one side to other side, like you're moving something aside. Try increasing your speed. Let's learn the hand movement with both the hands. Keep one hand up and the other hand to move aside and rotate both the hands and bring it down. Try to observe my both hands are moving at a time. The upper hand is coming from up to down. The hand in the front is moving from one side to other and then down. Try doing it with a flow and you can get the perfect movement. Keep practicing and let's move on to the eighth one. In this we will learn the movement of our fingers. I am showing it with both the hands. So let's learn the process. I'll fold my fingers down and open it straight. For a clear view, I will show it with a side profile. I'm closing my fist and opening it. Let's increase our speed. 1, 2, 1, 2. We will learn the reverse process. Try doing it with both your hands. Let's learn the process. It is the reverse process of the previous one. Let's learn it more perfectly. Fold your fingers down and move it up and make your palm straight. Repeat the process. Do not worry if you cannot do it at the beginning. It will take some time, but keep practicing till you are perfect. Let's move to our ninth movement. Raise your hands to the sides and make it parallel to the ground and move your hands to down. and again move it to up and up. Let's learn it in a simple way. Raise your elbow, then shoulder, then again elbow, wrist, and then make it straight. Let's reverse it. Wrist, elbow, shoulder, elbow, down. We will do this movement together with both the hands. Follow the same process. Try increasing your speed. So let's wrap up with this. I hope you like my videos. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe by clicking the red button below for more upcoming videos. Do like, share, and do not forget to mention your views and your queries in the comment box. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, and take care.